How to fix lag in Roblox easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix lag is very easy. So first thing you have to do is open Roblox and choose any server. For example, I choose this one right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top corner on the server right here, click on Roblox logo, go to settings, and then this is the important part. Go to camera sensitivity and make it as lower as possible like this. And then scroll down and make the graphics mode on manual. And then make it also as lower as possible like this. And then make the micro profiler and the performance state off. Make sure that they are in off mode. Click resume and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.